Happy birthday, Inang! We love you po.
Sorry, we cannot make it sa birthday. And don't forget our soup and dinuguan for to go. Happy birthday!
TikTok pa more. Stay young and healthy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy 70th birthday, Nang! I'm so sorry that I can't celebrate with you guys there, but I'm always there with you guys in spirit. And hopefully, I can be back during the holidays and taste your sopas again. Okay, bye-bye!
Hello from Texas, Tita Emilita. Happy birthday. I hope you will have many more birthdays to come. And hopefully na mabisita ko kayong lahat dyan ulit sa California. Alright, sige, happy birthday from all of us here in Texas. Bye-bye.
Hey Nang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ninang. Sana po marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. At lagi ka po mag-iingat yung kalusugan mo po. Tsaka maraming salamat po kasi hindi niyo po kami pinababayaan. Love you.
Hi, Bot. Happy birthday. Kapatid at mabait. Sana mapaba ang buhay mo at magkasama ulit tayo sa pasyalan. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, tita. I miss you. Sobrang miss ka na namin dito. Miss ka na ng Hagunoy. Happy birthday. Good luck and enjoy your day. Ingat ka lagi, magpalakas ka pa po at para magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming lakad sa Divisoria. I love you.
Maligayang kaarawan, Bot. Maraming salamat at ikaw ang aking naging kaibigan sa hirap at ginawa. Kasama kita. Maraming salamat. Sana ay maraming pangkaarawan dumating sa iyong buhay. Kaligayahan at kasaganaan. Maraming salamat sa iyo sa lahat. Hindi mo ako nakakalimutan. Thank you very much. Thank you sa iyo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday sa ating kaibigan, bestie, kumare, and sister as well. More birthdays to come. Alam kong matagal pa tayong sasama. Wish you all the best, good health, and long life. Love you!
happy birthday!
Happy birthday to my wonderful and very young Ninang. May God continue to bless you with strength, good health, and a heart full of joy and happiness. God bless. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello, Bot. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Gusto ko lang batiin, ipaabot sa iyo ang pagbati ng maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday. You see, you'll be coming 70 years old, but not in your face. Wala sa mukha mo. Batang-bata pa yung mukha. Parang lang 62. Now, ingat at yung kalusugan mo, lagi mong first priority. At this coming February, andyan ang birthday mo. Kaya happy birthday. God bless you.
Good morning, Inang. Happy birthday. Love you. Sana, ang wish ko, sana lagi kang maganda.
Healthy.
At
Happy birthday, Inang.
ligtas ka sa araw-araw.
Kung magkakasakit.
Kung magkakasakit. At saka po, salamat po sa lahat ng tinulong mo sa amin.
Inang Bobot, maligayang kaarawan sa iyong pagsilang. Naway marami pang kaarawan ang dumating sa inyo. At pagpalain ka ng Diyos. Ang hiling ko lang ay malusog at magandang kalusugan. Yun lang. ingat lagi. Stay healthy. Bye.